Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster, a symphony of disappointment, or how to ruin a vacation in 40 easy steps. Oh, my darlings, gather close, let me tell you a tale so tragic, so unhinged in its incompetence, that even the ghosts of bad TripAdvisor reviews past would shudder. Picture me, a delicate petal of hope, floating into the Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster, clutching my suitcase like a shield against the inevitable. I should be known, you should be known. But alas, here we are, ACTI. The grand illusion, or welcome to Hell's lobby. From the moment my poor, unsuspecting feet crossed the threshold, the air tasted like broken promises and vending machine coffee. The lobby, a sauna. Not the chic, spa-like ambience one might foolishly expect from a so-called four-star establishment. No. This was the kind of heat that sticks to your skin like regret. No AC. Just the oppressive weight of managerial neglect and the distant sound of dreams evaporating. And the staff, oh ho ho. If indifference were an Olympic sport, they take gold, silver, and bronze. You think, perhaps, a smile. A greeting, but no. Their faces were carved from the same stone as their souls, cold, unmoving, and deeply uninterested in your existence unless you waved cash under their noses. Which, by the way, is, you want a towel, that be a bribe. A doctor for your sick child, that be 300 euros, you peasant. More on that trauma later. ACTII, the room of broken dreams, or why sleep is a myth, the sanctuary of my deluxe room. Let me set the scene. The AC, a mythical creature like a unicorn or a competent manager. It existed in name only. The dial might as well have been painted on. Result: 4 humans, including a child, bless his melting soul, crammed into a sweatbox, one of us resorting to the balcony for relief. Romantic. The bathroom, a crime scene. Yellowed towels that had given up on life before I even arrived. A shower with a mind of its own, scalding or glacial, no in between, like a temperamental dictator. The mini fridge, LOL, empty, absent, a phantom of hospitality. Had to beg for one, like Oliver Twist, but with less dignity. And the smell, oh the smell, damp, despair, the lingering musk of cut corners and unwashed regrets. ACTII. The culinary catastrophe, or how to poison guests with repetition, the buffet. Oh, the buffet. If all-inclusive means all the same slop every day, then bravo. Let us play a game. Breakfast, congealed eggs. Pancakes raw enough to crawl off the plate. Juice that tasted like sugar water left in the sun. Lunch, dinner, the same 3 sad dishes, rotating like a cursed carousel. Mystery meat, questionable origins, lukewarm carbs, questionable safety, and a salad bar that looked like it had been ravaged by locusts. Dessert, the same sad cakes, day after day, hardening into edible bricks. And the hygiene, tables sticky enough to trap flies mid-flight, a poolside snack bar that doubled as a Petri dish. My stomach still aches at the memory. ACTIV, the pool of tears, literally the pool. Oh, the pool, imagine. Murky water, sunbeds held together by prayers, and a rogue steel umbrella that almost murdered a child. True story. Did staff care? Of course not. They laughed, while a father struggled to lift death metal patio.
Here's the businesses near Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster, a warning to travelers as I delve into the reviews of businesses near Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster. I'm left with a sense of disappointment and frustration. It's as if the clouds of mediocrity are hovering over this area, casting a shadow over the travelers who venture here. Let's start with the shopping experience. Businesses like Tunisia Shopping Center paint a picture of overpricing, fake products, and even scams. It's like they're playing a game of cat and mouse with tourists, trying to swindle them out of their hard-earned cash. The concept of fair pricing and quality products seems to be an alien idea to them. Be cautious, travelers, or you might find yourself stuck with a fake souvenir and a lighter wallet. Next, we have the wellness industry. Centers like Center Oxygen Spa et Beauté Monaster are notorious for their unprofessionalism and aggressive behavior. Imagine being shouted at, lied to, and even threatened by the staff. It's like they're trying to rob you of your peace of mind, not to mention your money. If you value your sanity, it's best to steer clear of such establishments. Now let's talk about dining experiences. Restaurants like Restaurant Dar Krakw are a culinary nightmare. Unhygienic conditions, stale food, and atrocious service, it's a recipe for disaster. And don't even get me started on the seafood lasagna with a hairpiece as a garnish. It's like they're playing a cruel joke on unsuspecting tourists. If you want to avoid a food coma, it's best to give these eateries a wide berth. But wait, there's more. Cafes like Cafe Moon Monaster are guilty of overcharging and providing subpar service. It's like they're trying to fleece you of your money, leaving you feeling like a victim of a confidence trick. And don't even get me started on the Calypso, where the service is as flat as a failed soufflé. Lastly, we have attractions like the Ribat of Monaster, which are more like tourist traps than historical landmarks. Imagine being hounded by aggressive salespeople, ripped off by vendors, and left feeling like a walking ATM. It's a wonder anyone comes out of these experiences with their sanity intact. As I sift through these reviews, I'm left with a sense of dismay and frustration. It's as if the businesses near Liberty Resort Hotel, Monaster are more interested in lining their pockets than providing a genuine experience for travelers. But fear not, dear travelers, for I've got your back. Be informed, be cautious, and always keep your wits about you. Remember, a smooth talker is just a scammer in disguise. In conclusion, businesses near Liberty Resort Hotel, Monaster are a mixed bag of mediocrity, scams, and disappointments. As a traveler, it's essential to be aware of these pitfalls and take necessary precautions. Don't let the allure of souvenirs, massages, or exotic cuisine cloud your judgment. Stay vigilant, and you might just make it out of this trip with your wallet and sanity intact.
Script content, around Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster, some places they not so honest like. Tourists think, oh, nice shops, nice people, but no, some just wait to trick you. Like I hear this one-story business here, they sometimes pretend to help, but really, they take everything. Like this spiritual healer, yeah, sounds weird, but tourists go, maybe they sad, maybe just curious. This man, he say he fix problems, remove curses. But no, he meet girls alone, say he help, then bad things happen. One girl, she lost her father, so sad, and he say, I heal you. But then he film her blackmail, even worse, and you think how people do this. But it happen. Near Liberty Resort Hotel Monaster, some places they smile, but inside, dark. Police catch him later, find videos, many victims. But how many before him, you never know. Then other shops maybe not so scary, but still tricky. Like you buy souvenir, price change last second. Or taxi drivers say meter broken, charge you triple. Small things, but still why? Why cheat people who just want nice holiday? I think maybe tourists go home after, feel stupid, embarrassed. Never tell anyone. And scammer. Probably just find new victim tomorrow. Same old story. Liberty.